Hello YouTube, here's my video unboxing the Husqvarna 450V NERA mower. It's a new mower for 2026, so let's get into it. Let's start unboxing. What we've got inside. Get started with your Automower. There's a QR code here. Don't need that. There it is. Okay, wow, look at that. Looks pretty neat. There she is. Automower 450V NERA. This one has the camera on the front, so it's got a better obstacle avoidance, improved GPS. Let me just get it out of the box. I'll come back one sec. Okay, so here's the mower. Let's have a look around it, and all the parts that came in the box. We've got the base station there, the top of the base station, quick start guide, instruction manual, power cables, lawn spikes, endurance blades, the EPOS RS1. You have to buy that separately, and then in here is also the power supply. So let's have a look around it. Big orange stop button on the top there. Work that out shortly. Looks like a really decent solid piece of kit. Lights on the front, and then this is the new addition for this year's model with the camera on the front. Let's take the sticky bit of plastic off. I'll do that later. And a quick look underneath. There's the cutting disc. It already has blades pre-installed. The wheels look pretty decent. Yeah, there we go. Right, so the plan is to install the EPOS. I've got an outside shed up here, so it's going to go up there, and then once I've set that up, I'll put the base station just down here. There's a power supply here for it, and then yeah, we've got this side section behind my property to mow, and then another larger section down here that needs mowing as well, and then a final section which is just beyond the property next to one of the garages out the front there. So I'm hoping to be able to create 3 zones. So right, let me get this EPOS set up, get the Automower plugged in and charged up, and then we'll carry on from there. So it's taken about 30 minutes to put the reference station up. It's got the green light there displayed to show that it's fully working and connected to all the satellites. Just run the cable routing behind this fascia board and then down this shed. I need to put the power supply for the reference station 30 centimetres above the ground, so I'll just measure that up and put that in, and then now I'm going to put the Automower in this place, plug it in, and then put it all together. Here's the Husqvarna in action. As you can see, it's got some quite nice striping on the lawn. Yeah, pretty seamless really. Quite fast. Comes out, does its thing, really silent. Yeah, and there you can see the stripes. You can set up the stripes to be however you like, diamond pattern, and then yeah, just let it get going. Awesome. Just need to do the other bit of land now. All right, thanks for watching.